Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Joy and today we're going to be creating this slick back look on my type 4 hair. And as you all can see, this look is super sleek, super smooth. It's not dry, it's not crunchy. In this video, I'm going to be telling y'all how to achieve this look. Let's go. But first, we gotta say hey to my older sister, Joanne. Can we just appreciate how she's glowing? So we're gonna be starting on freshly washed hair. I just put my hair in some twists. We're just gonna be undoing those right now and detangling our hair. For products, we'll be using Eco Styler Gel, Edge Booster, that's the truth, okay? Castor Oil or oil of your choice. And I chose to use the Kinky Twist hair from X-Pressions. We have bobby pins, hair ties, a brush, and a rat tail comb. I'm just going to be parting my hair. I'm going for the side swooped part, if you know what I'm talking about. And once we achieve our part, I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections and start oiling the first section I'm working with. Y'all, working in sections is key for the slick back hairstyle. Don't just jump into doing all of your hair at once, especially if you have thick hair. Now we're going to begin applying the Eco Styler Gel. I like to apply the Eco Styler Gel first. I feel like it preps my hair for this hairstyle instead of just diving into our Edge Booster. And then we're just going to start brushing. Notice how I'm working in a pattern. First, we apply oil and detangle. Then we apply the gel and then we brush. Also notice how I never let go of the ends of my hair. When you're dealing with thick hair, especially thick hair that has tight curls, you do not want to release because then your hair will start to revert. So put the gel on, brush, but continue to hold your hair. Right here, you're gonna see me tie that section of my hair but pull a section out. I'm going to be applying gel on that under section. Y'all, don't just do the outside of your hair. Don't just put gel on the outside of your hair and wonder why your slick back looks are not that slick. Do the inner layer too. If you want your hair even more slick than mine is, then do like every inner layer and apply gel to every inner layer. And baby, your hair is going to be slick. Now we're just fixing up that section before we move to the next section we're going to be working with. Now we're just going to be repeating the same steps on our next section. Oil, detangle, gel, and brush, but do not release. Okay, y'all, I gotta interrupt right here. Product buildup is a thing when you're applying a bunch of gels, especially for these slick back looks. So blend, blend, blend. Keep rubbing that product in. I could have rubbed this product in way more than I did. Don't be like me. Rub it in more and more, especially if you want this look to last you more than one day and don't want to be looking like you poured baby powder all over your hair. Okay, let's get back. For the back portion of my hair, I like to switch things up just a little bit. I want to focus more on moisture than gel, especially since this section is going to be pulled back into a bun. So you're going to notice that I'm putting a lot of oil, but not that much gel, as I did in the front, because I don't really want my back slicked back. I just want it in a bun. Also, with this method I'm using of not putting as much gel in the back of my hair, you're saving product, you're saving a bunch of time, and you just won't have as much product buildup in the back because you're not applying as much gel. But if you're not attaching hair how I am at the end, then feel free to apply a lot of gel so that your entire head will look uniform. Now it's time to start combining our 3 sections together, but you know, we had a moment right there. That hair tie just was being stubborn, so we're going to go ahead and move to the other section. I'm going to start combining this section with the back and also applying some gel to the front to re-slick it down. Now it's time for the fun part. I just reached for the edge booster, and this product right here is the truth. You see that the second I put that on my hair? You see that? Yes sir, yes sir, you see that? This stuff will have your hair sticking to your head like glue. But be careful with this product, y'all. You have to rub it in. If you do not rub this product all the way in, your hair will be white, okay? So rub it all the way in, brush it all the way in, and then seal it with some oil and you're good to go. Now let's see if this hair tie wants to cooperate with me. I feel like I just tied the side of my hair pretty tight. Either that or my hair was tangled or both, because what's going on? Now we're just going to apply some more product, some more of the edge booster to this side of my hair, and then we're going to start tying that section to the other 2 sections. Notice how I get another hair tie. I tie it alone, and then I'm going to get another hair tie, and then I'm going to tie those 2 sections together. Y'all, if you have thick hair, it's not by force. Don't try to force all your hair into one ponytail. Okay, just use an easier method to get that one ponytail. It's not by force. I really cleaned this thing up. I really did. Don't think I used it all on this hairstyle. It was already empty. I promise y'all, it was already empty. I had bought another container because I knew I was going to run out. Right now we're just sealing the look, applying more gel to the front and doing our edges. I really like my front to appear as slick and as straight as possible. So that's what I was doing. And then right now I'm applying a little bit of Eco Styler to my puff. You really don't have to do this. Honestly, I just skip it. Just skip it. If anything, what you want to apply to your puff is oil, because we're about to cover it up with our extra hair we're attaching. I'm just going to brush my hair some more, and then we're going to pull out our scarf. This scarf is where the magic happens. Tie it as tight as you can, don't hurt yourself, and we're going to let our hair sit. I like to say we're going to let our hair marinate under the scarf. Now you see I'm applying that oil, and then we're going to start twisting our hair, and then we're going to wrap it into a bun. And then I'm going to add another hair tie on top of that. Alright, now I just went ahead, put on a little bit of makeup because I'm about to run some errands to get lunch with my sister. We're going to unwrap the hair, put a hair tie on it. Alright, just put a hair tie on the middle. And then we're going to pull the hair tie. And then don't mind that little twisty twist thing I did. It was honestly, you don't got to do that. Just put the hair on the hair tie. Ooh! Slick, 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 baby. And put the hair tie on your bun just like you would a hair tie. Double it. Here I didn't double it, but you need to double it for more support. I'm wrapping the first half around, and then I'm going to stick in a bobby pin, and then I'm going to just continue to do that. Wrap, bobby pin, wrap, bobby pin until the bun is attached to my real bun. Now feel free to style this bun to your liking. Your bun doesn't have to be as big as mine. On day 2 when I wore this hairstyle, I actually took out half the hair and wore a smaller bun, and I actually prefer that one a little bit more. Right now I'm just sticking in some more bobby pins for security. Go ahead and add another hair tie on top of the bun too if you want, so it can be a lot more secure. And now we're just re-slicking those edges because I love my edges. I like my edges slick. I like them, you know, just doing a little something something. So we're reapplying some more of the edge control, and just look at this look. You mean to tell me my type 4 hair is doing this? It can be done, okay? You might have to work in smaller sections. You might have to be extra. You might have to use a bunch of hair ties and bobby pins, but it's achievable. You can do it, okay? Alright, you all, this concludes the rest of the video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you all liked it. Our edges are laid. Our edges are slick. I hope that y'all's are too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!